Hey, what's up? Just parked my van. I'm close to the Fernwood shelter at the Cincy Nature Center. So I thought I would get some miles in today, throw about 30 pounds on the back, and do maybe 10 miles. There's a perimeter trail that's 12 if you do the whole thing, I think. So anyway, I'm gonna get on the trail, and I may check in with you at a couple points, just so those who aren't familiar with this Cincy Nature Center get an idea of what it's like. Although it's very different, snow-covered, than it is normally. But anyway, hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for checking out this video. I am kind of contemplating doing more trail hiking, vlogging kind of stuff. Can't decide though whether to keep using just the personal, YouTube thing, or to create a separate channel for that. But I don't know that I'm not gonna go all out. I do have a section hike, another hopefully 200 miles of the Appalachian Trail coming up in May. I'm gonna hike from Damascus to Hot Springs, reverse my direction, actually go southbound, just because I want to finish at Hot Springs at Laughing Heart Hostel and hang out again with the wonderful people there, and maybe soak in a hot spring at the end of that hike, which sounds good. But anyway, that's the plan. So a big section hike, and my hope is to do basically 200 miles, 200 to 300 miles, every year. That'll take me 10 years to section hike the whole AT. At some point, I think I would like to attempt a through hike of it, but we'll see. And I have dreams, aspirations, who knows, being a Triple Crowner one day, although I'm getting a late start on that. But anyway, all right, let me get on down the trail and see how the snow feels underfoot. See you in a minute. You can tell they've kind of broken trail with a sled or a polk or something, which is kind of nice, but a luxury you wouldn't have in the backcountry, of course. One of the tricky things out here is just figuring out all the different loop trails and which way you want to go if you're following the perimeter. This yellow maple leaf trail, I forget the name of it, the technical name of it, but here's where it splits off from kind of this pink trail. Goes across this little creek, which is nice. Hopefully it won't be too hard to get across these snow-covered rocks. Might be tricky. There's a couple of these along the way, which is good to help you figure out where you're at. Right now you are here. I just finished that yellow loop right there. Now I'm gonna follow this purple trail over to the Red Wing, which is the longest loop out here. So here's each of the trails: Wildflower, Whitetail, Fernwood is usually where I start. So I'm headed to the Red Wing now. Keep going down the trail. Now I'm at the Red Wing, the cutoff to the Red Wing trail. Looks like they've got it closed for icy conditions, but I'm gonna give it a whirl anyway. Because that's how I roll. Let's see what happens. Up on the top here is a clearing, kind of a meadow, where I just came from. There's a few little sloppy spots like this, but otherwise, I think I prefer this trail in the snow. All right, about 7 miles into this hike. Shooting for 10, but we'll see how it goes. I forget the name of this little pond back here. It's a cool spot. Enjoying the day. It's been a beautiful day to hike. Heading up this trail right there. I'll give you a good view of the pond here. Yeah, beautiful little spot. All right, keep going. 3 miles to go. You got to come across Teal Town Road to get to this next loop. There's the road right there. Alright, finishing up this loop. We've got about 1.5 miles to go. Something like that. It's just beautiful day to be out here. Here we are at the Cincy Nature Center. My favorite place to hike these days. Great bunch of trails out here. I'm coming up on mile 9. I've got about 1 more mile to go. Just wanted to get a shot here by this beautiful sign. And there we go. 10 miles of hiking. Cincy Nature Center. Good times. Getting a little chilly, but everything performed pretty well. I had about 32 pounds in the pack. In the old Osprey. It's an Exos 48-liter pack. Love it, beautiful pack. And my puffy Outdoor Vitals, pretty much sweat through it. I just had 2 layers. I had this base layer, kind of a cold weather, long sleeve, athletic gear kind of thing. Puffy is pretty wet, but it still kept me warm, so that's good. Yep, that's it. We'll see you next time.